You know, I've been following chemistry for years, since '81, and when Bayer started talking to me about a combination of active ingredients, I got very excited about it because I felt like between the combination, one would take out the honeydew producing insects and the other one would give us more of a synergist effect and maybe a longer lasting residual between the two. I was very excited about it. We've been testing Temprid since September of 2007. We've been very pleased with it. Our callback ratio has been anywhere from 2 to 4%, which is very, very good. It has cut back on our ant callbacks tremendously, which before that we used to use the Termidor Fipronil and Phantom, and now we can stick with one product for all our pests. We're very happy with it. What we do at Bug Out Pest Control Service is we project what our budget is going to be the following year. We put our plan together, everything is measured by linear feet. We have it actually figured how much product we're going to use per linear feet on every route. We go ahead and we budget for those routes the year before. What I see with Temprid is that we're going to be able to fit this into our budget. We're going to be able to use it and not have to switch out products, and that's going to assist us tremendously.
When we first started working with Temprid, we were focusing on the one-time customer services where we would go out and apply the product around the perimeter of the home one time on the ants, and then we would go ahead and usually schedule a follow-up in 10 days. And we also were using the Temprid on our quarterly pest control accounts. These are accounts where we go out every 3 months, do the perimeters, and give interior callbacks, guarantees for interiors. A lot of our customers aren't around through the summer months, so it was really good for us to put out the Temprid on the perimeter and then eliminate the interior callbacks while the customers were out of town. We discovered that while we were using the Temprid, at first we were having to carry 2 backpacks on the truck when we were using the other product because we would always have to spray the perimeter plants usually. So by using the Temprid product, we were able to combine the one backpack and be able to hit the plants around the perimeter of the home where most of the ants were generating from, besides the perimeter of the home, with that one application. Then we were also able to, if we had to go in and spot treat at that time for some ants inside, able to bring the Temprid in, again, use it, where it eliminates now the product, 3 items on a shelf is now eliminated, 1 product for the employee to carry in his truck, and it's also labeled to hit those plants around the perimeter where 90% of the ants seem to generate from. At Sorrentino's, we've never really done a lot of advertising. Our budget never really allowed for it, but my belief has always been if you do a good job, use a great product, you have a happy customer, and that's my sales team. We base most of our sales off of referrals. 90% of our new customers are neighbors of current customers or friends of current customers, and since we've been using the Temprid, our accounts seem to be referring us a little more. The convenience of just that perimeter being done and the confidence that we have knowing that their inside will be covered as well has made it a lot prosperous for us, more prosperous for us.